Hi, Karen Wickline with Keller Williams Palos Verdes. We were going to interview Ken Dyda today, councilman from Rancho Palos Verdes, but he is not well, so we are rescheduling, and that's okay. We like showing people grace, especially nice people like Councilman Ken Dyda. So I'm going to go back to what I was talking about last week. Remember, I was talking about real-time market numbers, including the Market Action Index, which simply put, if the number is under 30, it's a buyer's market. If the number is over 30, it's a seller's market. Well, I'm going to read you all four cities index today up here on the hill, okay? So for Rolling Hills, which has the lowest, by the way, the index is 28. So that's definitely a buyer's edge market. So if you're ready to buy property around Rolling Hills, let's go. Interest rates are down. The index is great for buyers. It's all good. And the median list price was $4.9 million, with one selling at $9.25 and one selling for $1.795. And remember, this is for a 30-day inventory. So today's the 10th. So this is April the 10th. We'd have to go back to March 10th, and that's the 30 days they're working on verifying our index. And so let's go to Palos Verdes Estate. The index for that is 30. It's not truly a buyer's or a seller's, it's right in the middle. A perfect time to negotiate. So let's go, Palos Verdes Estates. Those are looking for a great neighborhood. The median list price was $2.772 last month, this whole month, and with the most expensive selling for $6.990. and the least expensive house selling for $1.425. Okay, moving on up, you notice the index is going up as we go through this list. Two more. Rolling Hills Estates, the index was 37. Definitely edging toward a seller's edge right now. So with the median list price being $2.399, and the most expensive selling for $4.275 million, and the least expensive $1.265 million. So that's Rolling Hills Estates. And last but not least, my hometown, Rancho Palos Verdes. The index is at 40, holding strong for sellers. So if you're ready to list your property in Rancho Palos Verdes, give me a call, 310-614-2504. This is your time. And buyers, this is your time too. Interest rates are down. It's a great time. They're the lowest they've been in 13 months, so it's a great time to buy too. And the median list price was $1.699, and the least expensive home was sold for $750,000, and the most expensive was sold for $6.999. So if you're looking to buy or sell and up here on the hill, I'm your gal. Give me a call. We will reschedule with Councilman Dyda, and I'll let you know when that happens. Okay? Have a blessed day. Thanks for listening.